Balanced Scorecard Basics. What is a balanced scorecard? Balanced Scorecard, BSC, is a strategic planning and management system. How does using a balanced scorecard help organizations? It communicates what they are trying to accomplish. It aligns the day-to-day work that everyone is doing with the company's strategic goals. It helps prioritize projects, products, and services. It measures and monitors progress toward strategic targets. Where does the name, Balanced Scorecard, come from? It comes from the idea of looking at strategic measures in addition to traditional financial measures to get a more balanced view of performance. What is a key benefit of using BSC? The key benefit is that it provides a discipline framework. It gives organizations a way to connect the dots between the various components of strategic planning and management. Meaning that there will be a visible connection between the projects and programs that people are working on, the measurements being used to track success, KPIs. The strategic objectives the organization is trying to accomplish, and the mission, vision, and strategy of the organization. Name the 4 organizational perspectives that help develop the objectives, KPIs, targets, and initiatives. 1. Financial, or stewardship, views an organization's financial performance and the use of financial resources. 2. Customer, stakeholder, views organizational performance from the perspective of the customer or key stakeholders the organization is designed to serve. 3. Internal process, views the quality and efficiency of an organization's performance related to the product, services, or other key business processes. 4. Organizational capacity, or learning and growth, views human capital, infrastructure, technology, culture, and other capacities that are key to breakthrough performance. What are strategic objectives? Strategic objectives are the actions we must implement into our daily activities in order to see improvement in our strategies. They break down abstract concepts like mission and vision into actionable steps. One of the most powerful elements in the BSC methodology is the use of strategy mapping to visualize and communicate how value is created by the organization. What is a strategy map? It is a simple graphic that shows a logical cause and effect connection between strategic objectives, as shown as ovals on the map. What are performance measures, KPIs? For each objective on the strategy map, at least one measure or key performance indicator, KPI, will be measured and tracked over time. KPIs show progress toward the desired target. Strategic KPIs monitor the implementation and effectiveness of an organization's strategies, determine the gap between actual and targeted performance. Strategic initiatives are projects, new or existing, that are designed to help the organization achieve strategic objectives and have significant organization-wide impact. They are managed formally like any other project, meaning they are explicitly defined in terms of owner, schedule, resources needed, action steps, progress, and expected results. Some strategic initiatives are short-term, taking only a few days to implement, while others can take years to fully implement. Strategic project management is the process of managing projects to achieve strategic success. Cascading. Cascading a balanced scorecard means to communicate and translate the corporate-wide scorecard, referred to as Tier 1, down to first business units. Support units or departments, Tier 2, and then teams or individuals, Tier 3. Cascading strategy focuses the entire organization on strategy, and creating line of sight between the work people do and high-level desired results. As the management system is cascaded down through the organization, objectives become more operational and tactical, as do the performance measures. Accountability follows the objectives and measures, as ownership is defined at each level. This alignment step is critical to becoming a strategy-focused organization. BSC automation and performance analysis. Once a scorecard has been developed and implemented, performance management software can be used to get the right performance information to the right people. Automation adds structure and discipline to implementing the balanced scorecard system, helps transform disparate corporate data into information and knowledge, and helps communicate performance information. Balanced scorecard history. This new approach to strategic management was first detailed in a series of articles and books by Drs. Kaplan and Norton and built on work by Art Schneiderman at Analog Devices. Recognizing some of the weaknesses and vagueness of previous management approaches, the balanced scorecard approach provides a clear prescription as to what companies should measure in order to balance the financial perspective. Kaplan and Norton describe the innovation of the balanced scorecard as follows. The balanced scorecard retains traditional financial measures, but financial measures tell the story of past events. An adequate story for industrial-age companies for which investments in long-term capabilities and customer relationships were not critical for success. These financial measures are inadequate, however, for guiding and evaluating the journey that information-age companies must make to create future value through investment in customers, suppliers, employees, processes, technology,